Hello and welcome. I'm the Theory Detective. In these lessons we'll uncover the mystery of music theory. Now continuing on with our primary chords or primary triads. We have the 1 chord, the tonic, the 5 chord, the dominant, and the 4 chord, the subdominant. So let's take a look at that. Now we have F sharp and C sharp. So now in the key of F sharp minor, we have a 3rd sharp, G sharp. Let's find the F sharps first. Here's an F, so I'm going to sharp it. There's another F, so it gets sharped. And here's another F, so I'm going to go ahead and sharp it. Called a courtesy sharp, because this one is already first. And then C sharp, here's a C, so it gets sharped. Here's another C, so it gets sharped. And here's another C, so it gets sharped. Again, this, if it was in a song, this sharp would still go for that sharp. And probably if it was in a song or a piece of music, then you would have a key signature at the start that would give you all of the sharps or flats. Okay, so now that I've got all those, let's go on to our 3rd sharp, the G major, the G sharp. So here's our G, and we put a 3rd sharp there, and I think that's it. So let's try this out. First we have the F sharp minor chord. In the key of F sharp minor, F sharp would be 1. So I'm going to go ahead and put a 1 there. And we'll do Roman numeral I, make sure it's a lowercase for minor. And that would be our tonic minor. And because that's an F sharp, I'm going to give us F sharp, lowercase again for minor. Over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's our C sharp, is 5. The problem is that the dominant needs to be major. It needs to be major capital, because it dominates, especially from above. The dominant really is the strongest chord in the whole piece. So it really needs to be strong. And the minor sound, 5 to 1, just isn't strong enough. So we have to change it to be major. There's our C, C sharp, E, and our G sharp. Now we're going to change the E to be E sharp. Here's the E, and here's the E sharp, and that's going to make it major. So we're going to add in a sharp here, and that will give us the major sound. So we have F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, and finally B. And B is our 4 chord. Our 4 chord dominates from below. So we count 5 above is our dominant, 5 below is our subdominant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sub meaning below. So it dominates from below, a 5th below. However, again, we always count from the bottom up when we identify. So B is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it becomes our 4 chord. So we're going to give it 4 and then IV. This is I, Roman numeral 1, Roman numeral 4, and of course capital V, capital for major, Roman numeral 5. So over here, 5 is C sharp. This has to be capital, so capital C, and then a sharp, IV, lowercase for 4, and that is B, and that's lowercase. So, lowercase for minor, capital for major. Take out your flashcards. On 1, put the 1 chord in the key of F sharp minor, the F sharp minor chord, the 4 chord in the key of F sharp minor, and that would be the B chord, B minor chord, and that's lowercase for minor. And the 5 chord, these are out of order. The 5 chord, capital V, 5, Roman numeral 5, in the key of F sharp minor, and that would be the C sharp major chord. So this is all capital for major. Add those to your practice pile and practice them as much as you can until they become very easy. And as always, have a great day.